Dashadathi Ekaputra, Dashaputro Ekapuksha. 10 kids, if I produce 10 kids, if they live for 60 years, 600 years, a tree is good enough. So what a great environment concept we have. All these together is Sanatana. While Sanatanam has got two parts. One is Ishtakarma.
Reconnected. Correct. I got reconnected through YouTube, and I almost every day I'm listening to one aspect of Sri Aurobindo's philosophy, but he's very clear that India shall rise. Of course, we was talking way back, say about 1908 or so, and he tells that India will become free. That becoming free is nothing. It will become great because India has a message to give to the world. And that message, Sri Aurobindo says that it is south of Himalayas, bounded by the oceans. This part of the world, only that message is here. And that is why India has to give to the world. And for that reason, it has to become strong. Not from the weaponry angle, but spiritually. So I request you, sir, if you can give a reply. And other subject to the time available. Thank you.
Support of the table. As I kept writing, I will start with the question what was asked.
I'll sit in front.
Unfortunately or fortunately, the same question was asked by Srinivas Reddy, and because it came to my house the other day. I kept writing. I will start with the question what was asked.
I'll sit in front.
Unfortunately or fortunately, the same question was asked by Srinivas Reddy, and because it came to my house the other day. And because of Vikas I am here. Otherwise, if I knew that this was there, I would have given a different
inspiration.
Altogether a different view on all this magic what is happening. United Nations, I don't know how many of you follow what happens in United Nations and the revolutionary leaders who talks against some of the activities of United Nations. If India has a politics, United Nations has a bigger politics. I am also part of the yoga community of United Nations in the Advisory Council. Their politics is much bigger. Election is not done based on the power. I don't know how many of you know the power of religion of all the religious communities joined together in the first talk was one of the bombardment by Swami Vivekananda. I don't know how many of you have seen the chairman of the religion councils. It is only this year another Indian is being elected. And we had a conference in which we were talking to each other and discussing. And I was telling it is not Red Cross. Once upon a time Red Cross was to take care of the war. I proposed to United Nations to have a white cross. Probably the peace is what is to be circulated. So there are a lot of discussions happening. And there in the interfaith community meetings of United Nations, which happens almost every week. We have meetings where many people are coming. Why India needs a role to play? Because of Sanatana Dharma. Many people misunderstood and people keep saying, I will repeat what most of them say, Chirapuratana and Nityabhutana. Put together is Sanatana, which is oldest and the newest. Which is the newest is this. What is the oldest concept of environment science in Bharatiya Shastra, which I was just giving a sloka to you when we were coming down. What do you call the people tree? Ashwathamegam, Pichumandamegam, Dashatindrinicha, Kavitva Vilva, Naragatrayascha, Panjamanani, Naragamaya. ritualistic activities are not to go to Naraka. Moksha is a separate one. Let us not go to Naraka at first. We need a Surga in this world, not somewhere else after death. So what is the method of getting a Surga here? Plant a lot of trees. Which are the trees to be planted? Listed plants are there. Ashwatham Ekam. Only one people tree should be there. For a village, one people tree is must. And that should be near the temple. So that everybody will come, take a breath. Because that de-densifies oxygen. So our temple concept was the first environmental concept. Every temple had a water pond. So, Dashakupam Ekavapi, Dashavapi Ekanati, Dashanati Ekaputra, Dashaputro Ekavriksha. 10 kids, if I produce 10 kids, if they live for 60 years, 600 years, a tree is good enough. So what a great environment concept we have. All these together is Sanatana. Why? Sanatanam has got two parts. One is Ishtakarma, next one is Purtakarma. Ishtakarma is going to temple, constructing temple. Yesterday also somebody from Bangalore asked me, because I am a Dashamahaya Upasana. So he picked up somewhere my book on internet and then wanted to construct a temple. I said, don't construct temples because we have enough temples. Why can't you maintain a temple? That is much better. Correct or not?
Correct.
We have a temple in most of the places. It should not be granite, it should be very rough. Because when you walk, it is actually therapy. But we have smooth temples. It's all based actually. I have done research on energy measurement in different temples. Nothing is there, no energy at all. It's only rituals. The word ritual itself has become only a show. Correct? So all conferences also has become rituals. We only show. So Sanatanam is Ishtakarma and Purtakarma. What is Ishtakarma? Doing puja at home, doing japa, doing meditation. All these are Ishtakarma. What is Purtakarma? Vapi Kupatadagani Devadane Nanija Anna Pradana Udyanam Purtam Ityabhidiyat. Definition is very clear. Vapi Kupam Tadaga. All of you understand?
No.
Small Vapi is small well. Kupam is lake, the lake which you see. How many of you clean that? That's good enough. Vapi Kupam Tadagam. Tadagam is big lake. Vapi Kupa Tadagani Devadane Nanija. You need a big plantation. What plantation? Annapradana Udyan. Fruit bearing trees. Then only other animals and there are 126 crores of seen, unseen animals, plants in this world. Species are there. All of them need something to eat, right? Who will give this? Nature. The evergreen forest is being cut for palm trees. Do you know who is the culprit in the environment? Not me in my garden planting. When I am taking care of my small garden in Hyderabad, there hundreds of acres are being, I don't know, in Hyderabad also, the other day when we are going, somebody is planting oil palms in Hyderabad. All agricultural lands will become oil palms. He took me to many gardens. I told him, don't do this crime. Oil palm is not at all green friendly. So what happens is all the nature forests, the beautiful, there is a beautiful cinema, 2 cinemas. If you have not seen, you are not environmentalists. Take it from me, please. One is Cowspiracy. Cow, C-O-W, not a conspiracy, C-O-W, Cowspiracy. And same producer produced another one which is called Seaspiracy. It was produced in this year, 2021 March. He goes to United Nations people and then asks, do you know that the sea is balancing ecology? He says no. Yes, I know. Then why are you not talking about the blue revolution? No, that is not in our agenda. The whole environment is not controlled by the small place where human beings are existing. The global warming is a big subject being talked. I was called by CPI, CPM, combined group in Kerala to give a talk. I said I am going to talk against it. Because that global warming became very famous, popular because of Do you know which movie? Anybody knows which movie? No.
The inconvenient.
The Inconvenient Truth. You know who is the producer for that?
US Vice President.
Ex-Vice President of United Nations, for which he got a Nobel Prize. Can you imagine a person making a movie, and the second person who got Nobel Prize along with him was IPCC chairman of earlier, who became a shame for India. Who was a shame for India. Correct or not? It's a big politics. The movie itself is a big politics. That is why Manmohan Singh, when he was Prime Minister, I was in his office. He was one of the strongest person. He said, carbon trading is good. I will sign. Not as a country, don't count India. Per head you count. I will sign. Because America has got only less population, India has more population. If India is polluting more, count it not as a country, count it per head. So per person, India is polluting less. Correct or not? So nobody could convince him and then say fine. So every time what happens is, every conferences make people to agree to that. So politics is what is ruling this. It is not global warming which is a problem, it is a local warming. The local warming is because of our lifestyle, it is need to be changed. Only method is Sanatana Dharma. What is Sanatana Dharma? Create some greenery around you, which was part of, everybody takes care of their own land, it is good enough. The global warming we can change, very difficult. I was continuously looking at all the news reports comes. Some of the solutions given was, now people say that carbon has to be taken from atmosphere to the field, right? One of the method is lime has to be pushed to the atmosphere so that lime will make the, and how the lime is to be done? They identified some islands, small islands, which is having a lot of lime, dump the whole island into the sea, so that Suryogira Rashmigal Ariyodangadukal. The Suryogira Rashmi is the one, the most powerful is sunlight. So what it will do? It will take whole water into, what will happen if temperature is increasing? Temperature is increasing, water will become more vapor. More vapor is more water. So it is not, no rain, no warming is not the problem. India has got, Delhi, I lived in Delhi maybe 2-3 years. -4 degree to 40 degree. Summer to winter, correct? The temperature difference is 40 degrees. These people die because of temperature difference? Very, very less. You don't see hundreds of people die. The whole global warming has 17 models, I have mentioned. 17 models which all predicts temperature difference is coming, and 2050 we are going to have this temperature. Tell me who measured the temperature in the last 150 years in this world? Which thermometer they used? Where did they measure temperature? It is measured only in airports. And who invented airport? Who invented aircraft? The wrong brother invented in 1903. No, wrong brother. Before that, our right brother Dalapade invented in 1895. You were not seeing the Udhan movie, see youngsters. You get some, no? I'm a movie fan, so I keep on seeing movies. That's the reason. It is Dalapade. And before that, we knew aircraft was there. So India had lot of knowledge, but what is not there is, we don't have voice now internationally. Arabindo's chanting which you mentioned, I was just writing that very fast. Himalayam samarabhya yavat Hindu sarovaram tam devanirmidam desham Hindustanam prachakshati. Himalayam samarabhya yavat Hindu sarovaram. From Himalaya to the Hindu sarovar. Tam devanirmidam. Every ritual which we do had lot of science inside. Every ritual. And how to construct a village. It is not Vastu, Agama Shastra. We were mentioning, Srinivas and we were mentioning Agama Shastra. Agama Shastra had how many trees, what variety, in which side of your house it is to be constructed, which are all the communities to be put, where pond has to be. Everything was planned perfectly well. We have such very well planned small villages where you construct a temple. The temple needs to clean up the area, large area, in case if you want to do that. When you are doing Buddhas, every living being other than human being is called Buddhas. And every temple is supposed to do a Sri Bhuda Bali. Sri Bhuda Bali is feeding those animals who have been vacated because of me. See what a great concept of. Correct? So I am sure we had a politician who turned into spiritual man. That is Arvind. Because he understood politics can only solve problems temporarily. Aurobindo was highly motivated by Aurobindo's mother. If you have not read Flower Therapy of Aurobindo's mother, she had 200 varieties of flower. I remember in 2000 I was giving a lecture in Banjara Hills on flower therapy from Aurobindo's mother. One of the best places for beautiful garden. I had nearly 120 varieties in my house. Traditionally, hibiscus was the compound wall. I don't know whether you know this. That is because hibiscus can turn the environment energy. Electromagnetic energy is what creates diseases. Dis-ease is disease. Dis-ease. I lose my peace. So how do you turn back hibiscus plants around? You want to experiment? I did a lot of experiments. You plant a tulsi. You know what's tulsi, right? You want to check your house has got vastu problem or not. Put tulsi there. If it is growing, no vastu problem. Tulsi will grow only in sattvic conditions, which is convenient for human beings. And assume it doesn't grow. I'll tell you how to make it to grow. Plant a lot of hibiscus plants. We'll have sessions for learning. That's what I was proposing. We will have camps here. We will have camps here. We will come here, spend the time, and then have a learning session on different topics. That's what we do.
Just to stay a little bit more, sir, after this closure, to discuss, then only
We'll remain.
will remain. Yes, sir.
Come on.
Thank you very much, sir.
What is this called? No, Madule. What is it?
Village, Earth Center.
Earth Center. Who is owning it actually?
Sunita Lakshmana Reddy.
Sunita Lakshmana Reddy. What is the motive? What is
The Council for Green Devolution. She is heading the Council for Green Devolution.
For
Here only.
no, is it a government or NGO?
No, not NGO.
So how is this Aksharavanam Vande Mataram? That program was Vande Mataram program actually. The first name was Vande Mataram.
Collaboration.
They are conducting it here. So it's a facility which can be rented out by anybody to the
I think
church.
they have that belongs to the Council for Green Devolution. She only does.
No, but what for? What is their income and how? To run anything, you need some money. No?
Even new generation. They have other businesses, but
Is it a CSR of those people or not?
no.
You write it down. This is what it shows. Yeah, the Earth Center. What is that?
Continue for 2 kilometers.
Earth Center board is there. Continue for 2 kilometers on Earth. Now,
Village is that.
you mean this is not the place? No, this is shows left towards India. Maybe there may be many roads. But there is a board which says, and it says 5 minutes, 2 kilometers.
Description kind of a thing is pyramid.
Now we are on Earth. Earlier we were on some others. Space, huh? Or moon. Hyderabad. Hyderabad is not on Earth. What is his name? Yashas. How did Yashas contact it? Because. So Vikas connected you to. What is your father doing, Yashas?
My father is construction business.
Works or he has its own?
Partners, as partners, 2 to 3 partners. They together construction.
What is the name?
Hmm?
In the company.
Company is a construction.
What do they do? You buy land and then.
Not on land actually. As of now, they're doing big projects in Madhapur, Gachibowli. They'll take a few projects and in that they will take a part of it. They'll sell that part. So they'll buy that. They construct it.
basically he's also an engineer.
No, he's not an engineer. My father's friend is an engineer, but my father will take care of the marketing side of the things.
He's a business.
Yes, yes.
This is going not to earth, it is going to sea. Huh? There is that board is there. Earth is going to enter or what? Oh. Yeah, earth is round. Yeah, you see, no round. That's how we proved, no? First you see on the top, then you see bottom. Water everywhere. Nice place.
Some fishing, some boating can happen. What can happen?
If you fish here, what you will get?
Fish for not for fishing, just lazy.
Okay, then throw it back.
Throw it back.
So that other fish can eat.
Not fish.
This is good. Who else at home? Yashasvi? Siblings?
Siblings, I have brother.
Brother, what? Elder? Younger?
Yeah, younger brother. He's both brothers.
Arrive at your destination.
You are into your destination. You are seeing Earth around, no? Hmm?
It's not so new actually. When the one I-
They must have changed everything and then constructed the partition, the plot and then sold it. Yeah, that is up to us.
Since he plays a business, they started their center. It's complicated.
First make a center, then make a potter center.
Ah.
Make a potter profit. Many people came through this road only. It was cars are here. Maybe inside also, maybe there. See the Ekapatari from outside. Enough?
Everybody will go that side. Huh?
Hmm?
He will some way or the other he
Who?
ourselves.
Hmm.
Some other time we'll land up out here.
Yes. Yeah, I mean, he was staying with me, now he's in Canada.
ലേറ്റായി വന്നാലും സ്റ്റൈലായി വരണം.
No, he's in We are paying 11,500. And 11,000.
Don't do like this, eh?
3,000 meters.
ఎట్లా చేయాలి? ఇలా కాదు.
Which school you are going?
From
School goes to her. It's all digital now.
Hyderabad Public School.
Yeah.
Samantapur or Begumpet?
2012 onwards.
That she don't know. She must not. People would have forgotten, no? All the schools. I had a program called Grandma Child Care Center, which was inaugurated in Pragati Gardens last January 26. The idea is age 3 to grade 3 do homeschooling.
Yeah, actually that's the better one if you have
Two or maybe three, because third person is getting rent income. And two of so we are earning
Panjamra Nali Naragam Nayabi.
Means,
If these 23 trees are what I told just now,
yeah.
out of that, if you plant this, any one of them, you will never go to Naraka.
Have you planted?
I must have planted 100, so that is why I am with you now. Yeah, I am enjoying. My life is, I told you, just now, life, L-I-F-E.
Yeah.
You know what is life?
No.
Live in full enjoyment. You know what is life? Learn in full enjoyment.
Learn.
Yeah. So live in full enjoyment, learn in full enjoyment. That is life. Good?
Yeah, good.
So computer science, which subject you want to learn, which paper, which chapter, where? You call me, I will teach you that. Don't tell me in advance, this chapter I want. Good enough?
Yeah, good.
ఇది కూడా కార్వింగ్ ఉన్నట్టుంది కదా సార్.
ఇది ఒకటి కార్వింగ్ సింగిల్ పిల్లర్ ఇప్పుడు అందిస్తున్నాయి నాట్ స్పేసింగ్ ఇది ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ నాట్ I discovered 1 year back. There is a room like behind.
ఇంకా ఉంది పైన ఓన్లీ ఫ్యూస్ ఎస్ వి రీచ్ గడ్డి మీద పెడితే జారుద్ది సరే అవునండి
No.
Speakers and some of the guests are joined here who are new to the organization. I mean, to specifically visited for the first time. And I would like each one of you to introduce that is better themselves, briefly about their name and what they are doing and their interest in this area of climate change environment. Briefly, then we'll start the session. Thank you very much. So we'll start from Madam Subna.
Okay. Good morning. I am Subna. I am a mother of 2 kids working as a chartered accountant also. And I've been in Big Four and then moved to my own practice. And on the environmental front, I used to work with Mr. Sudash Palikarji for promoting
This organization. We have like Venkatesh. Please quickly introduce about yourself. Venkatesh, briefly. Okay. First, from TGS and all the others. Continue.
Good morning, sir. Raise the hand once. Good morning, everybody. My name is Mr. Reddy. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు వెంకటేష్. సి జాల ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఆఫీసర్ పనిచేస్తాను. నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కృష్ణ. కౌన్సిల్ ఫర్ గ్రీన్ రెవల్యూషన్లో పనిచేస్తాను. My name is Lakshman. I am working for the CGR.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Pawan Krantikumar. I am Government City College, BSc.
Myself, regular came from Government City College.
Volunteers.
Good morning, sir. My name is Bibodna from Government City College.
Good morning to all. This is Sujata from City College, working as a third leader. Good morning, madam. My name is Sirisha, Government City College, BSc second year. Good morning, I am Divya. I am an architect second year.
Good morning, everyone. I am studying 10th grade. My name is Bhautik Reddy. I am studying 10th grade in Bharati Vidya Works.
Yeah, please continue.
Manan, my name is Shishikant. I'm actually working now in CGR and standing against the pollution.
Please continue.
Good morning to all. My name is M. Shiva from City College, BSc second year.
Yes.
What's your name? Huh? Tell your name. Introduce yourself.
Loudly, please. Very good. No problem. Okay.
So now who is taking there? Make it quick, no?
This side.
Good morning to all. This is Purtajoda Vijay Kumar from Government College of Social Workers, being as a leader in this Council of Work Implementation.
Next one. Yeah.
Good morning to all respected sir and friends. I am S. Venkat sir from Government City College, studying BSc second year, MPC.
Good morning, sir and madam. My name is Jay Triveni. I am from City College, working as a volunteer for Council for Green Revolution. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Yaneshwar, CGR volunteer, Green Wave. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Vinay. I am a radiographer. From last 1 year, I am working in social science activities full time.
Good morning to all. This is Nishita from Government City College, BSc second year.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Panjala Ban Prakash. I am from Government City College.
Good morning, all of you. Myself Karnanjala. I am from Government City College, BSc second year.
Good morning, everyone. I am Yashash, as Bachelor of Technology student. I have been associated with Akshay Patra and few other volunteer organizations past 3 years. So I have been traveling with Vikasam. Thank you.
I am actually the Prashant Fidyonchi, pursuing my bachelor's in mechanical engineering.
అందరికీ జై భారత్. నా పేరు రజనీకాంత్. నేను సీజీఆర్ వారి సహకారంతో ట్రిపుల్ సెంటర్ అందిస్తున్నాను. ఎడ్యుకేషన్, ఎథిక్స్, ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ అనే ఈ 3 లక్షణాలు బాల్యంలో విద్యార్థి దశలోని వాళ్ళకి నింపుతూ సమాజంలో నా ప్రతిభను పోషిస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Looking forward to sensitize people. So, culture, all these platforms, songs, these all play a lot of role in creating that awareness. And the final speaker of the panel was Selma. She is working with the communities in Algeria. She is closely working with the governments also. And one strong point that she communicated is that NGOs who are passionate
వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఈ సెంటర్ చూసిన తర్వాత ఖచ్చితంగా లర్నర్ సెంట్రిక్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కరెక్ట్ ఎత్ సెంటర్ కి సూటబుల్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి లర్నర్ సెంట్రిక్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అండ్ నేచర్ సెంట్రిక్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఈ రెండిట్లలోనే నాకు ఈ మధ్య వాట్సాప్లలో ఎత్ సెంటర్లో చాలా లైవ్ యాక్టివిటీ ఎప్పుడు చూసినా యూత్ తర్వాత ఇన్స్పైర్ చేసే పెద్దవాళ్ళు మిడిల్ నాలాంటి బట్టతలు ఉన్న చాలా మంది కూడా కనిపిస్తున్నారు. చాలా మంచిగా అనిపిస్తుంది. అంటే ఈ మధ్య కొద్దిగా లర్నర్ సెంట్రిక్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అనే దాని మీద కొద్దిగా డీప్గా ఒక 6 days నుంచి
Giving much focus to the real issues where they are supposed to put focus, but focus has been diverted. Beautiful inputs he was sharing with the audience. I don't know how many of you took part into that session on that day, but it went off well with 4 other potential speakers from different experience backgrounds like Uma Sudhir of NDTV, Rakesh Dugud of Factory, who is working for transparency and especially in this fake era, the real source of information where it can be retrieved and how it can be utilized. And that factory initiation also a good initiation as far as data mining is concerned. And apart from that,
to serve mankind and environment, a pure thinker will naturally get that. So the more pure thinkers we have, the more people we have who can be part of this climate action, right? So that's how spirituality is connected to this, pretty much. Then how about health? that's another aspect. And how do we become healthy? By eating, by taking inputs from Panchabhutas. Okay, it's not just food, it's also about the elements of nature, right? So food, when it comes to food, again, the most healthiest foods, if we are looking at, like the millets or the fruits or the vegetables, they have very little load on the environment. That is how that is connected to climate change. Okay, so we had very good speakers in this, and we had the graceful presence of Justice B. Vijay Sen Reddy Garu, Honorable Justice of High Court, for this event. So he has given his views. So what he said, India as a country has a significant role to play. We are a spiritual land. Okay, we have been practicing everything that is favorable to nature for centuries. It was only in the last 1 or 2 centuries that things have got disturbed. So we have to get back to that. Here he equated nature to God. He asked us to treat rivers, water bodies, everything like God, like living beings. He said that we must protect our river. From climate perspective, he has suggested that the culprit for what is happening now. So we have to work on that. We have to bring back our own culture. So he said that 1 kg of sugar consumes 20,000 liters of water per kg. So instead, if we go for something like a palm jaggery or an alternate sweetener, if at all is required, then we are saving a lot of water. Similarly, 1 kg is 10,000 liters of water. So that kind of suggestions he has given. More than 47 lakh herbal trees, used organic methods, and biodiversity is a plus in his wherever he has done his work. And he has a lot of Vedic knowledge from our scriptures. There's a lot of Indian science which we have to recognize. Now the world is at this stage because we have left our own Indian scriptures, our own science, and we are moving to the Western. So this is one man who fought the Vedic knowledge in schools. So he wants to do his bit, whatever way we are coming up with that framework. So he wants to do it as per the framework he wants to work with. So the summary.
That's how I was more inclined to environmental practice.
Hello everyone, my name is Amrita. By working in Chartered Accountant practice in Chartered Accountant. I am a member of Dharma Seva Charitable Trust. And as far as this subject is concerned, I'm more inclined towards living in a natural way. I feel that so-called development is actually doing our life, our mind, our body, and environment. So that's my answer.
Good morning all. My name is Raj Reddy. I am the Director, National Academy of Construction. And having 30 years of experience, I worked in Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Somalia, Ghana, and the UK. For the last 20 years outside India, I am working with green buildings and sustainable cities as well as climate change.
Yeah, good morning. I am Krishna Reddy. I represent the CSR Memorial Foundation. But I am here basically to get inspiration from folks like you and beyond, including the youth. Trying to make my small difference in whatever we do in trying to make the world a better place. Align with it again. Primary focus I would want to work on is getting youth involved through verticals like NSS and NCC. So let's see what we can do there and collaborate going forward. Thank you.
My name is Ullam-Pally Independent Reddy. I am the Managing Director of Ford Solar Energy Systems Private Limited. I comes to renewable energy. Since I'm in the solar business, I want to make solar accessible to all. When I say all, as many people as possible, from rich to the poor. So that I have been working on, and I have been fairly successful, and there's a lot of work to be done, and I'll continue to do that.
Good morning all, I am Narasimha Reddy. I work on a lot of social issues and I work with different organizations on agriculture, textiles, public policy. That's briefly.
Yeah. Good morning friends, I am Professor Purushottam Reddy. I work on environmental policies. I love activism. So I've been trying to sensitize the people, galvanize them for action, and try to bring about pressure on the political system so that we can do some correction of the wrong policies that are being done on the people in the name of development.
Good morning all, I am Dr. N. Saibos Reddy and presently Director of the Earth Center. Otherwise I was working mostly on environment, climate change, disasters, national and international projects. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Leela Lakshma Reddy, President Council for Green Revolution. I like plantation and conservation.
నా పేరు లక్ష్మారెడ్డి ఈ కౌన్సిల్ ఫర్ గ్రీన్ రెవల్యూషన్ బేసికల్లీ బిజినెస్ మ్యాన్. సో కౌన్సిల్ ఫర్ గ్రీన్ రెవల్యూషన్ అందరం కలిసి స్టార్ట్ చేసి దాన్ని పనిచేస్తాం.
So good morning all, I am Dilip Reddy. Basically I am a journalist, but I associate with CGR and many civil society organizations for betterment of society. Out of personal interest, I used to associate with such agencies. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning and namaste everyone. I am Nishant Reddy. I am Director of Nucleonics, nuclear instrumentation company. I am also Managing Trustee of Dharma Seva. From 15 years we have been through social service activities. Notable ones being we have done more than lakh plantations, and we have worked on some very important subjects like drug abuse in youth. We have won a judgment in our favor in Lokayukta recently. Nowadays that's become a major problem. We also worked on many health related issues that present day youth is suffering. So through this association we want to bring about the awareness, especially in the youth. So I have been associated with 3 themes: the youth and climate change theme, spirituality and health and climate change, and CSOs and climate change, which we will be discussing a little more in detail. Thank you.
Good morning and namaste. I am Manmohan Reddy. See, I am an educationist, I am a sportsman. Now I am a full-time natural farmer.
I'm Dr. TPS, a retired space scientist. I was in PM's office with Manmohan Singh. Now full-time for last 10 years into social service. Basically education, all the 5-fold development: physical, emotional, intellectual, social and spiritual. Must have reached out to more than 10 million youths, maybe similar number of teachers. Academics is my special interest.
Good morning, I am Uma Maheshwar Reddy.
Why puja is done for Nellika today? Nellimaram. Amla tree, there is a puja being done. Why so?